Hi, this is Van Life Mary here. I've got an exciting red, beautiful Travato to show you. This is a 59GL. This is the lithium package, and we haven't been getting lithium a whole lot, so this is exciting that we've got a lithium one now. I just sold one of these to a lovely lady who she had just recently lost her husband, and she had been dreaming about going on adventures with her grandchildren. So she bought this, and she's so excited to take her granddaughter on a little adventure, and she really needed a safe seat for grandchildren. So she's got one in the front, and she's got seats with a lap belt. So she's really excited about going on adventures with her grandchildren in this unit. So let's look inside. So as you can see, I have a lot of, space here to be able to like lounge, to be able to like have your table. This can be like a little dinette, and you've got your placing with your chairs can turn around, and you've got this table also. Overhead storage, and there's just a lot of room in this unit, a lot of different ways that you can use it. This is a screen that's going to pull down all the way. You can access it really easy when it's in the down position by just opening this, and that will magnetize back. And then as we come in here, this one gives you a little bit more counter space right here, but you do have a lot of counter space in the G. And what's really neat, people really like a refrigerator and a freezer. So in a van, that's hard to come by. Usually vans have a tiny little fridge and you just have to cram it really tight, but you've got a fridge and a freezer plus pantry space. And then this is your bed. This is a Murphy bed, so this is going to come down when you need it, and when you don't, you just put it up on the side, and you can put paddle boards or bikes right here. So it's really versatile in that way. And then I want to show you the bathroom. I'm going to go ahead and step inside here and show you. This is actually pretty spacious, and I'm not even in the shower position or in the toilet position here. So there's a lot of space in here, as you can see. Plus you've got this door that comes around here. This is going to slide shut like that. So yeah, if you wanted to look at this van, this is a Travato 59G. If you wanted to look at this, just give me a call. Mary, 406-850-4590, and I'd love to help you. Thanks so much.